A football is thrown upward at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal. To throw a 40-meter pass, what must be the initial speed of the ball? I will not solve this question for you. You have to solve it yourself, but let me explain it to you with the help of this animation. So the question says a football is thrown upward at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal. So let me adjust the angle for this cannon. It's now 30 degrees, and it says that there is a pass 40 meter away from the cannon. You can adjust the names because this is animation of a cannon, so I am saying cannon or cannonball, but the motion is same. So there is a pass 40 meters away from this cannon, and I want to hit this circular target which is 40 meters away from the cannon. So what velocity should I use? Here is the initial speed. So what velocity should I choose so that I will hit this circular target? So you have to calculate it. But let me just try that what velocity. Oops, it's too short, so it means I have to increase the velocity, maybe 20 meters per second. Oops, it's still short, so let me increase the velocity a little bit, 21. Yeah, and I have hit the circular target. So I guess the velocity should be around 21 meter per second. I found it just by trying different initial velocities, but you have to calculate the exact initial velocity with which if you throw a football and it will hit that 40 meter pass. So you can do it yourself.